What's up guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how I installed super cool ambient light system to my Volkswagen Touareg. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet and place your like under this video. Let's disassemble everything and install all this stuff. First, we cut the strip. Then we put double-sided tape on the door. And then stick the tape in its place. I found the glow too bright, so I covered the strip with dark tape. Handle lighting is made of these things from the kit. This is how it glows in the daytime. Each door uses a single module. Each light plugs into a different socket, and the modules communicate with each other through Bluetooth. You just need 12 volts. Do the other side and then we can assemble the doors. Now we can build the center part of the car. And we disassemble everything and put the dashboard lights and the leg lights on the left and the right. And here's the result. Buy these light system you can from me on eBay. Link in the description. Okay, that's time to show how this looks at night.